Greetings, comrades, and welcome to another update on both the counteroffensives. First, in the Kherson counteroffensive, the main news is in the center, where the Ukrainians have managed to push out into Kostromka and Izyum again, where they have pushed the Russian defenders back and are now in a situation where their salient is going far out. However, I don't know why it makes sense to go for Izyum. When the road is to the east, there's no road here, so this is all just open ground. So I don't understand why they want to push in this direction, unless the Russians' position was here and there was no position on the other side, meaning that generally they have to be fighting from one direction only, meaning that it's a one-front battle if they take Izyum, and then there's the Russian forces in the south next to the river. Meaning that generally the situation is that Russia is attacking the Ukrainians from the southwest and from the east. In that case, this makes sense. Shelling is ongoing here and fighting is ongoing here and here. So generally what we are seeing is that the Ukrainians are pushing and trying to stabilize the situation, while the Russians are trying to cut them off around Sokhistavok. And that is according to this Rybar map. And there's a few news here to the southwest as well, where it looks like the Ukrainians are trying to push around Ternoi Podi, which is right here. So they keep fighting for this village still. But this attack has stopped. On the Izyum offensive front, we see that the situation has stabilized since the latest reporting, meaning that generally the fighting is still ongoing in all of these villages where the Ukrainians are trying to cross the river. But we also see that the Ukrainians are now pushing in the south towards Saliman, and up here in the north they are not attacking from the south towards Semenivka, but from the west, generally meaning that this whole area is under Ukrainian control. And that's it for this update. Thanks for watching and have a great day.